welcome back to Sanadation. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with Mzansi celebrity stories, and namhlanje ke sikhuluma ke ngomama ke uDeliwe Malinga owaziwa kakhulu ke laphana kumdlalo umkhokha njengomamzobe. Well, guys, mama uDeliwe, guys, bakithi ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ke uke wathi ukutrenda kancane lezi insuku ezidlule emva ukuthi ke eceleke iminikelo guys kwakufanele ukuthi ke ahambe aye Ghana because she was nominated as the best female actor in the in Africa. I'm not so sure, but it was something like that. And the guys ke umam Deliwe ke waya ku social media wafike washo ukuthi ucela ke iminikelo uthi wayengevethi iminikeni like yabo yonke into kodwa wayesho ukuthi nimgcwalisele kulokhu ke anakho. Mama Deliwe, guys, ke wathola ke ugxekwa kakhulu ke niyazi bayithi ukuthi ke ama celebrity ke these days aphumela obala asho ukuthi ayasokola kwenza ama contribution enikelelwe imali. I think we must just understand, guys, ukuthi umsebenzi wabo it's not like a permanent job but ama piece job. Umam Deliwe ugcina ukushutha ke kumkhokha ngokuphela kuka October, so athi imali akade nayo bekayibekele yona ukuthi ke akwazi ukuthi ke aqhubeke until ethola ke the next character yabo. So guys waphuma ke washo ukuthi ucela iminikelo uyahamba ufuna ukuye Ghana kwi award. Anyway, guys, uwinile ke, she got the award, she came back with the award, and congratulations to her, and she deserve it. So guys washo ukuthi ucela iminikelo uthi wacela la cabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bangamsiza khona bamthena down, wasecela kubantu ku social media bamthuka abantu kakhulu bathi nje uyiqola usizofuna imali kanjani njani kwathintini. Uxolisile ke futhi nakulabo bantu bathi nje uyaxolisa kakhulu kwangasiyona inhloso yakhe ayidle ibekele bakithi. And most of the time those people who complains a lot on social media when it comes to into zama donation azange badonatela even umuntu oyi-1, like they have never donated for anyone, they just there to complain. I remember last time uSuthi Guluva wakhipha i-account yakhe abantu bethi bafuna ukumnikelela kuthiwa sefuna imali, you know. So uxolile guys, waxolisa kakhulu, siyabonga ke kubantu abamsupporta kakhulu, wathi uyabonga wagcinile ke bakithi Ghana and wabuya nayo ke i-award. And ubonga ke ne-KZN Tourism okuyona yathi we are coming on board, Shem, we are coming on board, we're gonna assist you financially as you are going to the other country. And I think, guys, umsebenzi wabo ke vele bakabo art and culture ukuthi basize ama artists, I think very very lokho ke kungumsebenzi wabo. But anyway, guys, we are celebrating umam Deliwe like she blessed us kakhulu laphana ke kumkhokha. And you know what, bafethu yabona, when it comes to zobi namanje abantu basathi yazini thina siporekile leli thonga likhona, we want umamzobe, of which we don't know ukuthi ke kuyoke kwenzekele uphinde ubuye ke loya mdlalo. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sanadation.